So, it's no great secret that I've just kind of stolen my entire layout for React ending directly from HasanAbi. And because I have done so, a lot of people are wondering how I'm able to do the theater mode thingy he uses. So, it's actually not theater mode, it's technically full screen, but it doesn't go full screen. And people have been wondering how I'm actually able to do that and how HasanAbi is able to do that. And for those who don't know, obviously if you just have YouTube in theater mode, it's gonna look like this. And you can see that we can see a part of YouTube below the video still. And obviously, as you can see from the video, Hasan doesn't have that happening as he's reacting to a YouTube video here. Now, you might be wondering, why would I want to or need to use this? Why wouldn't I just use a normal full screen? And I guess this way is just like a little bit more convenient for people who only have one monitor, as well as streamers, because it looks better than having the thing show like this. Now, as I was originally trying to figure out how he was able to make this happen, I tried googling around, didn't really help me at all. But then I noticed something in the top. Can I please have my mouse? Yeah. So here, this funny little icon here, which is an extension that literally just exists to control the audio on a specific tab. Now, turns out that wasn't really all that useful, because you can't just Google what a thing is based on just knowing how it looks. But after hours of research, I ended up on a foul, filthy website that shall not be named here. But from there, I actually found out which audio thingy he was using, what the extension actually was, and I was able to figure out that it was, or I guess literally just someone else was able to figure out that it was Volume Master, which you can find from the Chrome Web Store. It's completely free, by the way. I'll actually just have the extension linked in my description, so you don't have to go through the effort of actually searching up for it, even though it obviously would just take a couple of seconds. But don't click off yet, because that's not actually all there is to it. You actually have to use the extension as well. So, like, if I was to open up a video of my own, which is just in theater mode, because I was trying to show you how theater mode works. But if I was going to open a video here, today's stream will be, and I just click on the full screen button like Hasan always does, it would just go into full screen. The extension doesn't completely block you from having your videos in full screen. Instead, you actually have to click here and change the volume of the tab. And it works off of increments of 10%, so it's not gonna change that much. But once you actually do that, then trying to have it in full screen again, it's gonna yield a completely different result. As you can see, it's big, but it's like contained within the window here. Oop, I have a game in the background going on. But yeah, as you can see, now it's just within the confines of the window and doesn't actually go fully full screen. And yeah, I guess that's literally it. Like, that's how you do it. No need to thank me. But if you did like the video, leave a like. Probably don't need to subscribe either, because I'm probably not gonna give too many tech tutorials, seeing as I'm really bad at anything tech, and this is mostly just a site for me to shill my Twitch streams on. But yeah, thanks for checking out my video, and I hope this helped.